Are you seeing the dreaded P07 error on your Canon printer? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step process to fix this issue and get your printer working again. The Canon Pixma P07 error code is usually associated with a waste ink absorber full or printer error issue. This indicates that the printer's waste ink absorber, which collects excess ink during cleaning cycles, has reached its capacity. Common causes: full waste ink absorber. Over time, the absorber pads become saturated with ink. Sensor error. The printer's sensor might falsely detect a full waste ink absorber. Firmware issue. A glitch in the firmware may trigger this error. Steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Set your printer to service mode. Here's how. Turn off the printer. Press and hold the power button on your printer. While holding the power button, press the stop button 5 times. Wait until the green light on the printer becomes steady before moving to the next step. Step 2. Use the following button combinations to reset your printer settings. Press the stop button 4 times, followed by the power button once. Next, press the stop button 3 times, followed by the power button once. Finally, press the stop button 5 times, followed by the power button once. Check the demonstration. Step 3. Restart the printer, power it off, and then turn it back on. Step 4. Finally, run a test print to ensure the P07 error is resolved. If everything works, you're good to go. And that's it. If this guide helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful printer troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.